Hey everybody, it's Lisa Freeman from stampingwithlisa.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day so far. It's Saturday after Thanksgiving, and hopefully you guys are recovering from eating so much. I worked a double shift at my job, so I didn't really get Thanksgiving dinner, but they did cater some food in for us, but it was not all that good, so I'm on a diet anyway, so I didn't need to eat anything. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in if you're watching. And if you're watching this on replay, thank you so much for watching there. It's going to be on YouTube. After I do the Facebook Live, I always upload everything to YouTube. So if you're watching it on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you'll get notified every time I do a new video. So I wanted to show you this cute gift idea that I made. I'm making this for some friends of mine for Christmas. So it's a little wood crate that looked like this, and I found it at, hey Wendy, hey Cheryl. I found it at Dollar Tree, and so they're only $1. It's a super cheap gift. And then I found these little chalkboard clothespins that go on it, and these are $1 too, so they're 25 cents each because you get 4 in a pack. And I just covered it with our DSP, the Forever Fern, but you could cover it in anything you want. I kind of made it so it could be for Christmas, but they could also use it after Christmas, so it's not just something that you'll use just for like a week or two and then throw in the closet for 11 months. So this is something that you could use all year round. And you can put anything you want into it. You can put candy, you can put cards. I grabbed a few cards to put in there, so you could do that, put it like that. As you could fit a lot of cards in there because that's like 5 right there with envelopes. So you could probably fit about 15 in there. Or you could fit some candy. This is a big giant bag of candy. I didn't have time to go get some Christmas candy yet, so this is just leftover from Halloween. But if you have a bag of candy, or you could have cookies, you could put a little loaf of like pumpkin bread, or some makeup, any kind of gift you want. This is just a really cute little gift container. You could also put it in some cello wrap and do a bow. So it's a really cute gift idea. So let me show you how to make it. So first you need the little wooden crates, and I just got these. I had got them a few months ago, and then they kind of were out for a while, but I just got these about a week or two ago, and they had a bunch. I went to a couple different dollar stores and or Dollar Trees, and they had a bunch left. So hopefully they still have them. You might be able to order them online if you can't find them. But what you're going to need is, well, let me show you what we're using first. So the products that we're using are the Forever Fern stamp set. It's on page 110 in the big catalog. And then the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. And then the ribbon, which does not come with that bundle, but it's back here. And it's really pretty. It's double-sided. Here it is. It's the reversible ribbon, and it's Old Olive and Pretty Peacock mixed together, which are the 2 colors that I'm going to be using. So one side is the peacock, one side's the Old Olive. So that's pretty much the products you'll need. And then this is the paper cut. So you need 2 pieces of the 6x6. Well, it's 6 by 2 3/4, sorry. And then 2 pieces of 3.5 by 2 3/4. And then a piece of 2.5 by 2 Pretty Peacock and 2 1/4 by 1 3/4 white. Hey, Deborah. All right, so this is all the paper you need, and it's super easy to put together. So let me take these off and show you. You need the liquid Tombow glue, though. I think that works best. So we're just going to put the liquid glue onto the wood, actually, because I want to get it as close as I can to the edge. I guess you probably could use like tear and tape. I didn't try it with that. And I cut it to like even measurements. It is a little bit smaller than the actual 6 inches. It's like 5 7/8 or something. But I would rather have it a little bit too big and then cut it after I glue it down than have it not big enough. So I just did it a little bit wider. All right, oops. All right, so put that glue as close as you can get to the edge. You don't want it like running all over the place, but and make sure your paper's going the right way because it does have an up and a down to it. Okay. All right, so that's the first two sides. And then you're just gonna let that dry for a second, and then I'm just gonna trim those edges off so you can kind of see it's about maybe 1/8 of an inch over the edge right there. So just trim that off. And throw it away. And then do the same thing to this one. And sometimes the boxes vary. I've done a few of these, and they're pretty much all 2 3/4 this way, but I've had a couple that were just a tiny sliver off, so you might have to trim it the other way too. All right, then we're gonna do the edges, or the ends of it, so put some glue on that too, and we're just gonna cover that hole on the side. And just line it up. Uh-oh, now see, this one is a little bit short. That's all right. The side doesn't show so much. And then flip it over again. It's really a nice day out today. I think I might go mow the grass later. I still have to mow because I put down grass seed and fertilizer and everything. But like half my yard is brown, half is green. So I have to mow the green part of it. And I have leaves everywhere, so I like putting the bag on, and then it's kind of sucking up the leaves at the same time. All right, so we've got just a little sliver on this too, so we're going to trim that off. And same thing at the other end. And we're almost done. I mean, that's pretty much all you have to do to put it together. And you can use any designer paper you want to. I just love this Forever Greenery one. I think it's so pretty. And then we're going to stamp our little words. And I already went ahead and wrote Merry Christmas on here. I got these chalk markers on Amazon. I had bought some at the Dollar Tree, but they were a little bit too thick to write and thin. So this is like the fine one. And I just got it on Amazon for a couple dollars. So I wrote the Merry Christmas on there already. So we'll just stick that on the top. And then for the words, I'm going to do this one, To a Friend That Makes Me Smile. And I'm using the Memento Black for that. Let me close up my glue because we don't really need that anymore. All right, and just put that right in the middle. Like so. And then we're going to stamp the flowers and leaves and stuff. So these, I think this is eucalyptus. I'm not sure. I think it could be eucalyptus or berries or something else. I don't know. But we're going to stamp off because we don't want it super dark. And then just put that kind of randomly wherever you want. And I just kind of keep stamping until it runs out of ink. And then we're going to do the leaves same way, and that's Old Olive. And stamp off on that too, because you don't want that very dark either. So just kind of put those all around. And there you go. And then we're going to glue that together. Can you guys think of anything else you could put in these little boxes that would be cute? I think makeup would be a really cute thing. And then you could also put a bunch of our, like, the pearls and the rhinestones and, you know, a bunch of packs of those and give them as a gift, or some adhesive if you're giving it to a stamper. I mean, there's really so many ideas you could put in there. All right, so just glue those two together. And then we're going to put some dimensionals on the back. I'm almost out. And I just put a couple half ones on the corners, like so. And peel those off. All right, and then just stick this right on the edge. Oh, you know what I forgot is the ribbon. Hold on, let me get the ribbon. already cut a piece here. All right, the ribbon I cut is 30 inches. So you got to make sure that's long enough to go all the way around. You guys were going to let me do that and mess up and nobody even said anything. All right, so just tie this right around the front and tie it in a bow. And there you go. So let's just fix that a little bit. The key to a bow is to just kind of keep messing with it and hold the center while you're doing it. And there you go. Let's just trim that a little bit. All right, that is a pretty bow. All right, then we're going to put the words on. Almost forgot. All right, so stick that down. And that's pretty much it. And then you just fill it with whatever you like. So pretty easy gift idea. I mean, that took about 5 minutes to do. So you could whip out a ton of these, make them for all your friends or for teachers or for anything. And well, you know, the teachers really need something after this year so far. This has been like the worst year ever. But hopefully 2021 will be a lot better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wanted to just share it with you real quick because I was making a bunch of these today and I said I think I'm gonna go just do a real quick video, show how to do it before I finish them all. So thanks for joining me. You guys have a great rest of your day, and don't forget to subscribe if you're on YouTube and watching it there, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.